Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome. My name's Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Welcome to the end of your course. That's right. Got one last class left and just finishing a couple things left, and that's pretty much it. So the cool thing about this course is for Capstone, we're not doing a really full serious final project or anything. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing how to market yourself out there to the real world. And I'm talking about like getting your demo reels prepped, your portfolio is ready to go, everything ready so that you do not have to worry about any of this stuff. So it's much easier to get in contact with the people that you need to get those jobs. And that's what's really helpful about that. And hopefully my experience can help you with that because we can definitely showcase what these industries are looking for, what's really to highlight, and how to really focus on really bringing out your voice through it this whole process. And that's what's really important about this. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Just kind of introduce the class and everything, a little bit about myself, and then go from there. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's talk about that. So pretty much just a little bit of history on me. My name's Adam Rozeski. I am currently a senior project manager for a virtual reality development company that does VR training for the military. And that's pretty much what I do. But I started all sorts of jobs. I tried to be a professional hockey goalie, but I tore my knees out a long time ago. And then I started working for the ground crews for my dad in the airlines a while back. And I was a big gamer back in my early 20s. Played a lot of Gran Turismo, Star Wars Battlefront 2, multiple MMOs and like tournaments before like esports really became a big thing. And but I really wanted to. Oh, I'm sorry. Whew. I really wanted to get into the building of the video games and how they're managed and how games are built from the ground up. And so I went to Full Sail, got my bachelor's in entertainment business and master's in game design. I also double mastered in project management as well. Worked for a bunch of companies, worked for GP Games, Activision, EA. I touched about 45 games in my career. That's probably haven't been updated in a while. It's probably around like 45 to 50 now. Luckily enough, when I first got into analytics and with QA testing, I got put on the user experience team. And they bounced around so much for project that I got a whole bunch of credits right off the bat in my first couple of years. And then after that, after I left EA, I became a consultant and worked on a lot of games at EA. I worked on Madden, FIFA, NHL, NCAA. I know the sports ones come to mind first, but Dragon Age, Inquisition, Battlefield, Plants vs. Zombies. I touched a lot of these games, which was really cool. But yeah, after that, I left EA, did some consultant work, and tried to build up my management chops at Universal for a little bit, working in attractions. And then I got hired by Wason as a project manager, working on VR games and mobile games. And then Mass Virtual picked me up as their senior project manager. Now I run their entire production process. I have about 12 teams reporting to me. We run over 25 to 30 projects per year. It's a lot of cool stuff. So yeah, we do a lot of good things with that. And now I'm just more of a consultant and a project manager now. Now, just if anybody has any questions about the game industry or the VR industry, just let me know. I'd be happy to help you out. That way we good. Oh. So, what types of assignments do we got? We have discussions. Always the initial post is due on Tuesday, except for week one. Week one, your initial post and your reply post are going to be due on Saturday. Reply posts are due on Saturday. Final day to turn in all assignments is going to be September 15th. That's a Friday. Please make sure to turn in all your assignments by 11:59 p.m. by the 15th, so that way it's not late. Once it hits that midnight for the 16th, it's technically considered late, so keep that in mind. Also, we also have written assignments and project assignments. Those are always going to be due Sunday, mostly tied to a technique of setting yourself up for success, or project assignments that are setting up for your final project, building your demo reel. And that's really what we're going to be focusing on, is building demo reels, portfolios, and really selling yourself to the customer and selling yourself to those companies, because down the road you're going to run into a producer that I'm going to be looking for some type of animator or artist, which technically I currently am, and I might need that skill set down the road. So, but I'll be looking for specific things and specific elements too. We'll also talk about a few other things like ArtStation and some other stuff that'll help you out. It'll be really cool. But keep in mind, written assignments and project assignments are due on Sunday. Final day is on September 15th. So that last week, you need to make sure you have everything turned in by that Friday. So that way it'll be good to go. Cool. That's pretty much it. And then written project assignments. So we're always going to do on Sunday at the end of the day on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Once it hits to that Monday at 12 midnight, it will be late. So keep that in mind. Except for week 11, that's going to be on Friday. So that'll be good. These project assignments or written assignments focus on techniques to improve animation presentation and also professional concepts to sell yourself to the right companies. For example, we'll talk a lot about demo reels, job preparation, animation presentation, transitioning techniques, adding graphics and sound, and so much more. There's a lot that's going to be into that. Oh, sorry about that. I see this fly coming around me. I apologize. It's been bugging me for a while. Now, we also have live lectures. They're always going to be on Tuesday each week, except for week 1, that's going to be on Thursday. Please check the announcements. The links are already prepared. Your team's channel is already prepared. Everything's good with go. Keep in mind that these lectures will take place at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central on Tuesday, except for week 1, which will be Thursday. So we also have lecture assignments, which I always ask. I'll let you know how I want them done in the lectures. So please make sure to keep an eye on the lectures for that assignment. And then we'll go from there. But it's the same concept each. Whew. Wow, I'm just yawning like crazy. I'm so sorry. Attacking flies, yawning. It's definitely been a weekend. So keep in mind, in lecture, I'm going to tell you how to fill those live lecture assignments, so that way it's good. So what happens if you miss a lecture? So you don't have to be there at lecture, but keep in mind, please make sure to watch the recording so you do the live lecture because it ties into your attendance. And I always put the recordings up the day after in the morning, so that way you have it ready to go in the morning and it's good to go from there. Now, keep in mind, this is something I asked for. It's tied to my syllabus and everything. Live lectures are pass-fail. They're tied to your attendance, so please make sure you do them before the end of day Sunday each week, or else they become a 0. So because they're tied to your attendance, there's no late points or anything. It's just pass or fail. You either complete it right, you do it on time. If you don't do it on time, you get a 0. If you do it wrong or don't ask what I ask you to, then it tells me you didn't watch the lecture, and then you also get a 0. So keep in mind, pass-fail. It's either going to be 100 or a 0. Make sure it's done on that Sunday. If you're not going to be able to complete it ahead of time, that's going to tie to your attendance. Please contact me immediately so we can make a plan and we can go from there. Sweet. Cool. All right. Other than that, just some class expectations. Keep in mind, 10% of the grade each day late. Once it gets to 7 days late, it will be a full 0. So once it's over a week, it's it'll be a 0 unless there's emergency or anything that happened. Please contact me ahead of time. One thing I do ask, we have a lot of critiques on our discussion, so please be courteous and respectful on discussion posts, but be thorough. Don't give me one sentence and expect it to be a reply and say, oh, I like what you did here, great job. It was okay, try better next time. That doesn't tell me anything. We're in art and we need feedback, so please, all your posts must be at least 2 paragraphs a piece. Give detail and examples to explain your points. I would really appreciate that. And then the other rules I just have is just I hope you discover something and have some fun. Other than that, it's pretty much it. So yeah, other than that, that's all you got. Please check the announcements page. That'll have all your announcements and your rubrics and the lecture links. Please check your discussions, the course chat, and also the lecture lounge. So that way you can take a look if there's any information you need to post on there. Check some information that I posted. Also, please check the Teams page. I posted a link to the Teams page of where I'm going to keep lectures and assignments. Not assignments, but also lecture recordings and like lecture material. And that's pretty much it. So, all right. Other than that, that's all I got. Thank you for being awesome. Please be here for our first lecture on Thursday at 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. Link is attached to the announcements. And other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Enjoy your 4th. And I hope to see everybody on Thursday. All right, everybody. Have a good one. Be safe. Have fun. Take it easy. Bye.